Hi everyone, welcome on the Cathartic channel. I would like to share with you how I'm recording my paintings. Here what you see is the tools for the next painting that I will record today. There are some juicy tomatoes and I will use those as color samples for my paints. Let's see later on how I can manage it. And here you see a ladder. This is 4 meters high, and I will show you how I could fix my phone, my smartphone, as a camera on it. So I didn't want to give a lot of money for that first, and that's why I just found out to use some plastic materials that remained from a box. So here, this is the standard that I just built today. And there is the hole, and through that hole I'm just putting my camera here and I can record any paintings, and this is calculated exactly that we have what we need. Here you see that this is a future canvas, and I also need electricity for my phone because it needs to be charged during the recording if I have longer recordings. And what is this plastic thing? I will show you. When I'm ordering the paints and the puring medium, I will just show you here. I get those plastic things in the box to fix the paints, that they can arrive in a standing position like here, you see. So I have a lot of plastic things here that I don't need for anything, and I thought that I could use that now for the camera mount. Have a nice day. Bye for now.